If you're working with important memories for your family, there's a new view inside of Mylio that makes it easy to add all the essential information. This is great particularly for scanned photos, but you can use it to modify modern digital photos as well. Let's take a look. Under the More menu, just enable the Family History section by flipping the switch. You'll now see that it comes to the top of the info panel. This section contains everything that you might need to actually modify details in your picture. For example, I'll select all of these images here and start by adjusting the date. In this case, I'm going to choose to set these to a single all-day timestamp and January 2nd and click Save. That's because these were scanned photos, and I don't want the date in here that was actually when I scanned the image, but rather when the event happened. Now I can add some title and description. Usually title is unique to each picture, so I'll save that, but I can add a description field here. The next section is for people. This is where you will see anybody you've already face tagged. If you haven't done face tagging before, just head over to the People tab or view the individual photo. Below, we can add information about where this actually occurred. I'm going to type in the name of the church where I was married. When I select, it'll navigate on the map. And I can drag and drop onto the map to set those. When I've got the correct location, I'll just click the checkbox to apply. And the new GPS metadata is added to all the photos. If you scroll down, you'll see manual controls over this. For example, notice that we have the location shown. This combines lots of information together. But you might decide to modify this, adding extra details. For example, some people will add a descriptor under the sublocation field or the specific street address. To modify these, just click and it opens a new dialog. In this case, the location shown was compounded, but I can manually address any of these fields if I wanted to change them. In this case, I'll just click Cancel. Below this, you can also add an event name. This is a descriptor that's often used in family history situations to describe what the photos are related to, and it's a great way to group things together. Once you put the information in here, it'll now be included when you do a standard export, or if you take advantage of some of the publishing opportunities to go to particular websites. Taking advantage of these fields makes it easy to set the family history information in your files and ensures that they're going to be more discoverable by future generations.